A Kubota U 25 mini excavator is digging up a tree stump buried deep in the ground. Oh my gosh, I see the stump is almost 7 feet deep. The mini excavator may look small, but the bucket force is incredibly strong. It just lifted that huge stump right out of the ground. Amazing! Isn't the Sony SY215F just amazing? Equipped with the powerful Ponce H8 cutting head, it's a dream come true for forestry. The way it cuts through wood effortlessly and glides over tough terrains is something I can only marvel at. For $170,000, it seems like a solid investment, right? Watching the Hitachi 350LC at work feels like sitting in the front row of a metal monster show. With a power of 202 kilowatts, its solidity is like shark teeth, gripping tree stumps and pulling them out of the ground with just a snap of the fingers. I wonder what it would be like to drive that monster. This stubborn old tree stump needs a powerful machine to deal with it. I bet the Bugnut BFTP can do it. It looks huge, doesn't it? It's exciting to see it turn that massive stump into a pile of fine dust in the blink of an eye. A guy is trying to tackle a massive tree stump with a machine that looks like a toy. I thought, no way. But hold on to your hats. This little machine did it. It conquered the stump. Hooray! The cool morning morning air. The wood chipper has begun its workday. The sound of the engine roars powerfully as the gears chop the large log like a hungry lion. These wood chips will serve a noble mission, replenishing the forest. Oh my gosh, what happened to the Valmet 840.3? The driver looks stressed. The wood in the back is so heavy that the front of the truck is lifting up. Luckily, he handled it skillfully. Both the truck and he are safe. The hook of the excavator looks like a pirate's hook, reaching out with perfect precision. It digs into the ground, searching for soft spots around the tree stump. And then, with a hook, it lifts the stump as if to say, "I've got you." Oh no, he took the turn too quickly. This driving is really reckless and wild. I'm not sure he can make it. This Scottish forest is not the most beautiful, is it? Look over there. The John Deere 1470G harvester is at work. I love how they call it the angel of the green forest. The way it cuts trees with its flexible cutting head hardly disturbs the terrain. It's a beautiful scene of machinery blending with nature. Have you ever seen an oak stump this huge? The diameter is a whopping 55.12 inches. It's incredible. The grinding machine is prepped and ready, poised for the thrilling challenge ahead. It's like watching a colossus meet its match. Once the job is done, the only thing left will be a mountain of sawdust. Hey, have you seen that Valmet 1110E driver in action? Talk about impressive. How does someone even get the guts to drive that beast down a slippery slope? It must take serious skills. The excavator worked meticulously, its arm extending long like a surgeon's hand. As the roots slipped out of the ground, the majestic posture of the tree began to lean. Boom! The immense weight of the wood dragged along a wave of dirt and dust, and now it's time to transport it. Incredible engineering at play. The John Deere 644K is perfectly positioned to assist a heavy timber truck in its uphill battle. It's a brilliant collaboration that showcases the power of teamwork. This snowy forest provides a stunning backdrop for modern forestry. The harvester, with its sturdy and versatile cutting head, showcases advanced technology at its finest. Just watch how it navigates through the branches with precision, making very gentle cuts.